Hi, I'm Pagata12 and this is my 200th tutorial. With this occasion I built my very first algorithm in TOPS, and today I will share this method with you. And yeah, we have this recursive division on a rectangle, and it goes again and again, and we can have also division of the highest area of the rectangles, and we get this defragment look. Okay, and yeah, this network will be available for my patrons in tier 2 play, with also with this addition, in which we have, let me show you the geometry. Here we have where we have a minimum thickness, and I found this very tricky to implement in TOPS, and yeah, it's a very nice method, I would say. Also, for my patrons in tier 3 learn, we go a little bit further, and we have this chamfer edge boxes, and this is something like sub-instancing, as we have separate instances for corners, edges and faces. And yeah, it's looking very, very nice. We can play with the noise and raise those on music or anything you want. Okay, now let's go back here, as we have to recreate this. Okay, so I will leave it aside to guide me, and we will start clean. Okay, let's go inside. We don't need this, and let's start actually with a constant. Okay, and how about to make use of all those four pockets, let's say, and we go with the position. Let's start from the 0, 1 rectangle. Okay, so position X, position Y. Okay, and here I will have the scale. It's scale 1 on X, scale Y 1. Okay, now one thing to pay attention here, pre-multiply RGB by alpha, turn this off. Okay, and okay, now let's see here how it might look kind of a divide, a split component. Okay, and we collapse this, and let's name this split. Okay, now I would like to see here in geometry what's happened. So I'll go with geometry like this. Let's go inside. Inside we need a rectangle like this, and yeah, we good to go. Now we use instancing. We drag this here in a default instance operator, and we take RG, okay. I'm not yet sure. Oh, let me pause. So, because this is crazy. Okay. Okay, we are back on 60 fps. Sorry about this. So RG and scale is BA. Okay, we have this rectangle and we want to divide it. Okay, now maybe if we have a noise, we can see much better. So noise, we go with only noise, RGBA, not monochrome. Also this is RGBA. Okay, because I would like to have this for the color. Okay, so R, G and B. Okay, so when we have a split situation, let's go make a more room maybe here, and I will move myself here. Okay, so when we split this into either horizontal or vertical, we need to have two colors. Okay, so yeah, let's go and try to do this. Okay, now what I want to do here is reorder everything. Okay, so I'll take the red, this is mono, and I color this red. Now I want to take the green, and this is green, and let's name this as, now it's PX and PY. Okay, and now let's have the blue, and it's SX, and yeah, let's make this blue. Yeah, maybe you hear something like some barks. It's my dog. It's dreaming. So yeah, and here is SY. Okay. Now, when we divide this square, okay, if we divide, let's imagine this is the square with the Kinect stream, and I want to divide, so the center would be here. So if I divide on horizontal, I'll have two centers. Okay, like that, and that means PY remains the same. Okay, and I need here in the SX SY to have a math, and I need the half of the scale, 1 divided by 2. Okay, I will name SX half. Okay, and SY half. Okay, now again I also need a quarter. Okay, so 1 divided by 4, it's a quarter, and here, oh, not like that, SY quarter. Okay, now in case of horizontal division, let's say with a vertical line, obviously I'll have PX minus quarter SX and PX plus quarter SX. So let's have an add, or let's go with subtract first. Okay, so PX minus quarter SX, also an add of the same values. Okay, And again, with on the other way, we have py plus or minus. Okay, so let's copy this and pay attention to the connections. Okay, so I have py for both, right, and quarter of sy for both, like this. And now I need to have those 2 points. Okay, so let's have a reorder. Okay, and first it's px minus, then it's a py remain unchanged. Okay, then here it's half of sx, half of sy, right? And this is input 3, input 4, and I'll take red for everything. Okay, and this is RGBA. Okay, now another point would be exactly the same, but this one instead. Okay, and those two, let's have a layout. And for this layout we go with custom resolution 2:1, and yeah, resolution aspect nearest pixel. Okay, we can check, okay, what we have, and it's not that good, right? So because when we divide on horizontal, okay, py stays the same. So now sy, sorry, so I connect sy here and sy here. Now this is good. Okay, and let's see now here the vertical split. Okay, we have a reorder, 2 reorders. Okay, now for the first one, now this time px stays the same. Okay, so it's px for both of them. Okay, now py minus goes here, py plus goes here, sx stays unchanged. Okay, and we take a half. Okay, for the we'll check this very soon. So red, input 2, input 3, input 4, and this is RGBA. Okay, and we have a layout. Okay, now let's see this one. Oh, so we did wrong somewhere. Let's check. Okay, it seems like the scale is good, the position, so it's here, py minus, and oh, this is a quarter. Okay, now we are good. Here would be nice a switch, right? And yeah, I said we randomly split either horizontal or vertical, and that means we can substitute this switch in something built fully in tops. Okay, so let's go with the noise. Okay, and this is 1 by 1. Okay, and this is mono. And I want to play this ABS time dot frame. Okay, ABS time dot, or not play here, no, because we need this noise to be exactly in between 0 1 and never go below or above 1. We go with random GPU. Okay, now yeah, for just for testing, we can we'll have here as an input a resolution bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, so I can check this resolution, not like this, but info. Okay, and resolution X, and yeah, I can say, okay, take this as the seed, at least for now, till we build everything. Okay, and yeah, I'll have some values, and I need to have always a texture which is 1 by 2. Okay, let me show you. Let's go with another layout like this, and this is 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Okay, with resolution and nearest pixels, and we go from top to bottom. Okay, we have this ugly ugly output. Okay, because some rectangles are overlapping, but here I would like to have a matte. We go with round, and I'll go with level like this. I invert. Now if I play the seed, I always have black and white in those two. Okay, now if I go with a layout, I take for the resolution 1 by 2, top to bottom, and I multiply with this. Okay, and yeah, let me check a little bit. I want to check the alpha, if so alpha it's 1. Oh, okay. What if we go with an analyze here, and we analyze by columns? Okay, and we take the maximum pixel, not minimum, maximum. Okay, let me check those values. Okay, it seems good. Okay, and this tool here, it's let me check. Also here we have alpha 05. I don't like that, so maybe if we go here, this is mono alpha. Now we good. Okay. And now we have the split component, okay? And the idea is we'll not have only one rectangle to analyze. We have a string of rectangles, and randomly we have to pick one, okay? And for that step, I suggest to eventually draw some, I don't know, 5 rectangles to start with, or 4, or I'll have here something. So what I did was I actually had a little drawing, and you have here those values. You can pause and take it. Those are the px and py, sx and sy for some rectangles that are staying together, okay? And then I went to chops, and here there are, okay? And what if I start with this? Now this doesn't know what to do anymore, okay? And eventually we need to analyze analyze the string and split only one pixel, okay? And how we do this? Let's have a feedback here, okay? And maybe keyboard in to pause and reset. Okay, and this is nearest pixel. Now I want to make a bigger folder than this split, and so I go collapse selected, and this is recursive division. Okay, now if we go inside now, let's have this feedback black, as I'm used to this, I don't know, I always color the feedback black. So let's go inside, and here I have to analyze this this string. We have this option always, info, and because how you choose a number in between, let's see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, so 0 and 7. We need an integer between 0 and 7, okay? And it's something related with this resolution, okay? And yeah, me sometimes I like to challenge myself and use less chops maybe, or figure it out how to not use a switch, a proper switch, to have it from tops, okay, and much faster maybe. And yeah, I find out the group, it's much harder than a switch or some resolution numbers you can find with info chops, okay? And yeah, let me show you. If I go with a constant like this, and I go with set resolution only, and now I analyze this, and I go with sum. Now I have this 8 here, okay? What else I need? Let me assist myself with my file. Okay, so now I have this number here. What I needed, it's a noise, it's a random value in between 0 1. Okay, if we have that, we have everything. So noise 1 1, and this is mono. Okay, let's go with some seed, and also this is a random GPU, and now I'm sure that my value is it's good. It's in between 0 1. Never touch 1 or 0 or go above or below. So, but I said that I need an integer. So what if I multiply this with my analyze, in which I have the number of the pixels? Okay, and I can use a math and go floor. Okay, now let's see here. I have 1, right? And yeah, in this case, just for seeing the value while we might change the seed or something. Let's go like this and play with this seed, right? So we have 0 all the way to 7, right? And why we need this number for? Okay, and let's go with this 3. What this means? So that means we have to split this rectangle, the 4th one in our string. Okay, array, or how you like it. And what I want to do is push this pixel to the side, and there is very easy to group it out, because eventually we take out this pixel, and instead of that we replace that pixel with the 2 splits. Okay, so once we know the index of the pixel, it's very easy to displace to the side. Okay, now how we do this? We divide with a composite. We divide those two. So the index of the pixel with how many pixels, by how many pixels they are. Okay, and we go divide, and here we use a math, and we take half of it, right? And yeah, let me check. This constant should be, oh, okay, maybe this is mono. Okay, and now if I use a displace, okay, let's go with 0 here. Okay, instead of hold, we go with repeat, right? And let's check. So now the first point, it's 718725. Okay, 718725. Oh, is that one? It's good. So it's in the side. Now, being there, it's very easy to group. So let's group now, and I'll go with 1 pixel here. So this is the pixel that I need to split. Now it's easy, you see. but those two here, I need to bring them back in my array, okay? And what I do is transform this texture, okay? With pixels, I go -1. Okay. Now I would like to transform it back one pixel. Okay. So I have an empty space there, but yeah, my division gives me 2 pixels, so I need 1 space there. Okay, I can solve that with group, and I'll go pixels -1 and 0. Okay, now we're good. And let's put those together now with over. And this is native resolution, left. Yeah. Let's select everything and make it nearest pixels. I want to check again here, this folder. So I do the same. Okay. Now this is pretty good. Let's see if we close the feedback now. Okay. What if this takes the null? I can name this end. Okay. And now let's go into a feedback and yeah, let's hope. Okay. So it's not good at all, right? And for some reason, I'm not sure what's going on here. So okay, I will pause. It's already paused. So I will pause this to check what's going on. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Was a clumsy move of mine. So what I did to debug easier, instead of that noise, I put a reorder and went with RG only to see much better what's going on. And what I found out, it's here when we split everything, we need to take the alpha. So now we good, but let me go here and restore the seed. Okay, and as I said, let's go with ABS time dot frame +1. We can go like this. Okay, and this one also ABS time dot frame, and now we are much better. So okay, now yeah, if we are here, let's solve the render. Okay, let's have a camera. Okay, and render, and the camera, it's orthographic, and bottom left, and one here, and yeah, let's go with 1280 32 RGBA, and not anti-alias, because I want to use the UV, and yeah, we need a constant here. Okay, now that I have this, a null. Let's see the top view now. Okay. And if we have an image movie file in, okay, let's have this flower, and we need a fit, and we can grab the resolution. Okay, we fit with fit outside, and we remap like this. Okay, now I like to have also some lines. Okay, and for that I believe I can use another render. So let's say this render takes geometry 1, this one takes geometry 2. Okay, let's have a material for this one also. Okay, but this constant is black, and also topology wireframe. Let's go with 2, and maybe I go for the resolution 1024 multiply with 2. Okay. Now I want to put this over. No, the lines goes over. Okay. And this is nice, but now I would like to have the other way of finding the rectangle to split. Find the biggest area. Okay, let's go inside here, and yeah, we take the input. Okay, with a select, we take this input. Okay. Let's go here. And now what we can do is have a math. And we multiply, but only the blue and the alpha. And the output is coming into a red channel, so this is good to be mono. Okay. Okay. And now I want to analyze the maximum pixel. So I go with maximum pixel like this. Okay, and I need to split this one. Okay, and not to split this one, but the one that has this value. Okay, and now I can go with difference. So let's go this one first. So I have the difference now. Let me check a little bit. Yeah, we go with matte for the ceiling. Maybe it's better. Let's see. So I will stop this feedback after a couple of runs. Okay, And if we go inside, it will be much easier to see what we do here. Okay, so this matte goes ceiling. Okay, now I know that that point right there with the black one right now is the maximum area. Okay, so I need a level to clamp this and invert. Okay, now I have a pixel there, and I would like to find out the index of this pixel. So yeah, I can always go here and find that the index is 23. Okay, but let's find out that. So we use a ramp. This ramp is composite with multiply, and I want to analyze the maximum. Okay. Now this maximum I need to multiply with the resolution. We either multiply with this analyze, okay, or if you like, you can have that info here. So info res x. Let's go this way. Okay, we grab this, but not yet. So we have a matte, and we multiply with this. Okay, and we multiply, but go floor. Okay, and here it's our index. We can easily connect this one. Oh, sorry about this. So connect this one. Let's make those a bit strange color. Okay, and let's try now. Okay, it seems it takes the minimum or something. And if I go inside here, let me check. Okay. So I analyze this, is multiply. Oh, not here. So we mask like this. And now we're good. Okay, so here in a first tab we mask what we want to have in the red channel on the output. Okay, so this was the problem. Okay, now we good. What else I would like to build here is some kind of a feedback for the rectangles that were just splitted. Okay, and we have them here. Let's go with an out. Like this. And maybe another render. So let's go with this. Okay, and I want to take the out2 from recursive division. So recursive division / out2. Okay. Just, oh, not here in a material. Oh, sorry about this. Here. And yeah, if we don't use the colors, we are good. Okay. And maybe the material it's stays the same, so white, and we don't have colors. This is good. Okay, let's go with the feedback now. And we can drag the keyboard here, and yeah, we place this over here. Like this. And now we have this yeah, the fragmentar look, and it also looking nice with the other way of division. So and if you want to blend in between photo and some rectangles, you can go with noise. Like noise. Okay, this is only noise mapped here. I will go with matte and round. I can take this random, not random GPU, because that one, it can't be mapped, okay? But let me make sure I have here with a limit only 0, 1. So clamp, 0. And now in between those two, I can use a matte. And I use this limit in the third input and go with luminance. And now I can have half photo and half rectangles. And yeah, this is it. And I believe we're done. And this is super fast. Obviously now a lot of things are running in the background, but yeah, I really hope you like this method, and yeah, play with it, and maybe you tag me and you'll show me what you came up with. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this. You can support me on Patreon. You'll get access to a bunch of other things, like my last one there for the tier 2, or yeah, this type of addition to this algorithm that I have for my patrons. So thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.